Well, AsInt Inc., again with Inspenet. Thank you, Rohan Patel, for being with us. It's a pleasure as always.
It's always pleasure talking with Isbanet. We are super excited to be here. Super excited to talking with you guys, seeing all the friends and everything else. So it's amazing day so far.
And we're very excited because AsInt has something new, a new solution,
Yes.
AsInt Edge.
Yes.
Tell me, what is it? What do you have to offer?
So we are super excited, and we wanted to make sure that you hear it directly from us and from me over here. We are launching our own platform. So people knows us for our SAP application and how we actually change the paradigm within the SAP ecosystem, where we have mechanical integrity, reliability, safety application into SAP. Now we are saying that, okay, why we can change it even better and take it to the next layer for all our engineers and our inspectors and everything else, and make it really convenient. So we are actually now launching our own platform where you can actually sign up as a one user if you are. If you wanted to go as you go up, so it's a subscribe mode. So go from 1 to 5, 5 to 25, 25 to 100. And if you have a corporate, no problem. So we can take care of that. But we wanted to make sure that we providing this technology to our engineers and inspector to help out with the mechanical integrity, reliability, safety, all those different applications coming faster and furious.
When did you guys realize that something like that was needed in the industry?
It's a great question. I actually just did an interview with the on somebody else, and they're asking me the same question, like, when did you realize? So I have been doing this for almost 25 years now. We developed a lot of solution and everything else. We even developed our solution into SAP BTP, which is a business technology platform. And we have like around 25 plus applications solving problem from reliability to mechanical integrity with the maintenance and work order notification. But then we realize it, we're limiting ourselves to just one ecosystem, which is SAP on that side of things. So, and as we explore more and more and talk with our more customer, they're telling us that we want some intelligent solution, but we wanted to start quick. We wanted to get to next level really faster. So that time we actually thought that, okay, now it's time to change the paradigm and come up with our own platform, which is AsInt Edge. And we're super excited that we're launching it here at this event. API is always a big event for us. I know it's a big event for you guys too, but for us, it's a very proud moment to come and launch the entire AsInt Edge over here.
I appreciate that you're explaining all those things in a very simple language. But how would you explain the need of something like AsInt Edge to an engineer?
Yeah, absolutely. So engineer wants to do calculation. For example, let's pick application as fitness or service, which is 579. API 579 calculation, if you wanted to perform that, sometimes you have to go through so many hurdles to do it. Yes, you can always do it in Excel spreadsheet and do it and all that, but as the code changes, how are you going to make changes to the spreadsheet? How are you actually going to give out that information now to your next engineer and actually working on it, right? So what we did is, it's simple. You go, log in, you sign up, you set up your workspace, you actually buy the application, and you can actually upload the data and you can start doing application calculation today. So we make it seamless process for the users. And then we also, on top of it, we said, you know what, why tie user up to the long-term contract? Why don't we just do the monthly contract on them? So we actually did subscription on monthly basis. So now you can just sign up, you like it, you use it. If you don't want to 6 months later wanted to not use it, that's fine. We can preserve the data. But then those are the one can easily get going. So I think we feel like we're going to solve the problem that all this different calculation happens for weeks and everything else, and that takes that much effort. We wanted to condense it today. How can I log in today? How can I calculate today? And how can I solve the problem today? So that's what we are doing it with AsInt Edge.
What is the main issue, the main problem that you guys resolve with AsInt Edge?
There are a lot of things that the user wanted to see. One is their master data. The second one is like, can I connect to different ERP? So it's not just SAP, but what about Maximo? What about my IFS out over there? So we are solving all that problem one at a time. So multi-ERP solution stop. Now we have a RBI application, mechanical integrity, fitness for service, those application. Now it's already solved. Now we wanted to take it to the next level about reporting. And then we wanted to solve the problem with the data, how we actually do some sort of master data governance within the platform. So we're also solving a lot of solution problem. The other problem we are solving that we wanted to make sure people or highlighted is the mobile solution. So we have a field solution that are a IntelliSuite application. You can go online, you can start doing inspection on a field, and that data automatically gets synced to your software on a platform, and then you can make a smarter and better decision. So that time from field to your computer, that transaction gets faster and quicker with the AsInt Edge.
What is your vision for AsInt Edge? I don't know. Where do you see your AsInt Edge in 1 year?
Yeah, great question. So we wanted to go with first, we launched to see it and get the feedback from our user. That's the whole point of launching it with the inspectioneering, right? Like all the inspection event happen over here. That's how we wanted to do it. So API is the medium, and we definitely wanted to launch it. What we see next year is, I think we feel like we talked to a lot of people so far today, and they are already excited about it. They wanted to sign up and then get going. So the live product launch is like next month. We are launching it officially, and now with that will be the trick, like where people are going to sign up and start utilizing it. But I think from that point, we wanted to see a lot of mass adoption of a tool, because the tool has no limit. Tool has no limit to go to any country in any part of the world, right? So there are a lot of people. If you just think about in North America, people might have access to certain things and codes and the standards. If you go to South America, they might have a little bit accessible over there. But then if you go to some of the other countries, they don't have access to it. So if us providing a platform as also have the base from the standards, that can gonna get like a lot of adoption out over there. So we feel very proud, and we think that it's gonna take us to the next level with user adoption. So that is our goal.
What are the industries that are benefit, or the industries that can benefit the most of this new technology?
Actually, we always say it's across industry, right? Because the problem that happens on the oil and gas side, the similar problem happens on a petrochemical side. It's similar happen on the steel side. So we have a client in like a semiconductor to steel company to a big like a major oil and gas company, right? So we know most of the underlying problem is, do I have access to the calculation that I wanted today? Can I actually get my notification, work order, all those different information today, now, so I can make a faster, better decision? Then you also have this entire concept of like, I have to go through 2-3 different ITs to get something done. So that's how we are treating it. So I feel like having this unified platform will help all our customer out over there and potential customer out over there as well. So we are solving two things at the same time now in my mind.
Well, last but not least, how do we get a hold of you guys to learn more about, this new technology?
Yes. So the best way to do it, like obviously follow you guys, right? Like
Inspenet,
obviously. we wanted to do that. And we also wanted to make sure edge.ascend.net is a website that you should go and check it out, because you will be putting all this different information over there. So I think you guys will like it. All this different innovation is going to come so fast and furious. So every month we're going to release a product out over here. So it's not that we are just for application and we're done. It's not that. We're not stopping. We're just going to nonstop cranking out more and more application.
Well, thank you for stopping by.
Of course.
Pleasure talking to you as always. And, knowing about this technology, it's exciting.
I know. Thank you very much.
Thank you
really
very
appreciate
much.
it.
Thank you.
Yeah.